Random Sing.
Friends, as we all know that it's December, and this year is almost about to end. Soon a new year will begin with lots of joys and celebrations. But before the end of this year, we have a special day still waiting for us. Yes, I am talking about Christmas. We all have many special Christmas memories that we had since we were kids. If I talk about myself, I still remember those winter holidays that used to start from the 24th of December till the New Year. It was mid-90s. I used to be a young boy, though I didn't belong to a Christian family. But in our schools, we were taught about all the festivals which were celebrated in India independent of any religion. I really like that practice of our Indian schools, that before the arrival of any festival, our school used to celebrate it with all the students in a creative manner. Like we used to have different activities related to an upcoming festival such as singing, dancing, essay writing, and many more fun activities that used to fill the student with excitement and happiness. Although we used to get a lot of holiday homework from schools too to limit our excitements. But still some or the other way, that homework is also related to such festivals, so that we can know more about all such festivals. Right now in 2021, we have a digital TV network, internet, OTT like Netflix, and Amazon Prime platforms to watch stuff related to Christmas, but when I was a kid, we only have 2 TV channels that were broadcast by the Indian government. If you are from the 90s and remember the name of those channels, write it down in comments. And since the beginning of our school holidays, one of those TV channels starts showing us Christmas cartoons, movies, and shows. Being a kid, I used to enjoy it a lot. While my mother used to cook delicious food for us. Especially tasty food which made our Christmas holidays more memorable. Some of us also tried to build our own Christmas tree and decorate it with beautiful things. We used to buy tasty sweets like chocolates and cakes and other tasty snacks on Christmas. Sometimes our parents used to get them for us, and sometimes we buy them on our own. Those days we used to send postcards and letters. I still remember I used to draw paintings and greetings and send them to my dear friends and loved ones along with a letter. Even phone was not very common those days. As it was the winter holidays, especially on Christmas, we used to go to meet our friends and relatives and have a lovely gathering, where everyone uses to have meals together, and both kids and elders used to enjoy it a lot. All those Christmas holidays are like a sweet presents for kids like me, when we used to enjoy the winters, meeting our friends and relatives, eating tasty food, and creating lifetime memories. Now I am grown up and the world has changed a lot, but when I see any kid during Christmas, I find the same happiness on their face, which I used to have when I was young. So the world might have changed rapidly, but that feeling and excitement is still there, on the faces of the today's kids as well. A few days back I was checking out my Facebook when I saw a post by one of my friends. In that post, she was asking people to provide her their address if they wanted to get a Christmas card on this Christmas like before. I really felt very nice after reading it. I believe that her initiative will create many beautiful memories for those people. Nowadays we think a lot and restrict ourselves from such feelings of joy because of our busy life, or one way or other, we found an excuse to keep ourselves away from such moment of celebration. But I think that this is not fair at all. In this busy life, we all should take advantage of such festivals and try to celebrate them with our friends and loved ones. So try to take out time from your busy life and celebrate this Christmas with your family and friends and burst out all your stress. Try to give surprises to your loved ones and spend time with them the way you like, and make some good Christmas memories that will put a smile on your face whenever you think about them. If you have any special Christmas memory, please share them with us through comments. We all will love to read them. Please show us some love by liking and sharing the video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel Random Sing. I wish you all Merry Christmas. Enjoy your Christmas.
Random Sing.